Hi guys, today I'm unboxing this 1 ounce pure gold bar, and this is the Australian mint. This has the technical specification: gold content 1 troy ounce, fineness, percentage purity 99.9%, minimum gross weight 31.1. That's the bar number, chief assayer, and this is the company logo. So I'm gonna unbox this bar and then melt it down, okay? This is the pure gold bar, 31.1 gram. Look at the shininess of this gold. So I'm going to melt this down, okay guys? Keep watching this video. This is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching it. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. If not, comment down below, and also please subscribe my channel, and I'll see you in next video. Thank you once again.